Well, hi, everybody, and good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski to start off your brand new work week, your Monday morning. A bit of a chill in the air, but we are going to see a nice warm up today, and we're kind of, after today, done with these chillier mornings, which I'll show you in just a bit. We're starting off in the 30s and 40s. That'll change pretty quickly as the time most of you actually see this. It'll probably be already warming up quite a bit out there. But it's going to be a fairly sun-filled day. There's been some patchy fog this morning. Quiet conditions otherwise. We're in northwesterly flow. What does that mean? Well, that means our clouds and our systems, they're coming in from the northwest. And watch what happens tonight as we get some increasing clouds tonight and maybe even a couple of hit or miss showers of thunderstorms overnight tonight. This will be very isolated activity. It favors northeast portions of Nebraska. In fact, I'll probably take you back here a little bit. Again, you can see northeast Nebraska is most favorable, but we might get something very, very isolated here close to the Tri-Cities. Grand Island may be a little more favorable than Hastings and Kearney, but it's less likely the farther southwest that you go. Well, let's take you into tomorrow then. We'll return to lots of sunshine, much warmer temperatures tomorrow ahead of a cold front. And by the end of the day there, you see the wind change? The wind's becoming northerly. That front will be through the Tri-Cities by the end of the day. Doesn't really do much other than shift our winds. I don't think we'll see a major cool down. We might be slightly cooler on Tuesday, and we'll hold off on chances of rain till the nighttime hours. While there is a small chance late in the day, and you see that in southwest Nebraska, a few models have hinted at late in the day with that front coming through. It's a very slim chance. I wouldn't put it any higher than a 10% chance. But then as we get into the overnight hours, once again, late night, we may see something move in. I'm backing it up a little bit after midnight. Maybe something moves through after midnight. Again, if we get something Tuesday night, very isolated severe weather chance, very small severe weather chance. It's not a very good chance, and I don't think it'd be a major severe weather event if we even see it here. So again, just mentioning there's that chance. That will then clear out Wednesday, and we're going to see temperatures on the warm side again for your Wednesday. Chances of storms after that kind of lower until the end of the week here. So highs later on today. What a big boost in temperatures after highs in the 60s over the weekend. How about 70s to near 80 degrees, some lower 80s out towards the west. So a big jump in temperatures, and those lows are going to start to warm up as well. Upper 40s, lower to mid 50s for overnight lows. Then tomorrow's highs, look at them soar. 80s, maybe even upper 80s in southwest Nebraska. So we're going to see a big jump in temperatures for your Tuesday. Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, we're down into the 50s again. So a pretty mild evening, mild overnight ahead of us. And then as we get into your day on Wednesday, back into the low and mid 80s for the most part. So another warm one is expected for your Wednesday. So that's your forecast for the next couple of days. Again, you see those what look to be mostly nighttime chances of rain and thunderstorms. We'll go dry then for Thursday and look at the temperature soar on Thursday into the upper 80s. I think 90 is possible on Thursday. Plenty of sun. The lows will warm up into the 60s. Then Friday, I'm going upper 80s again. I think Friday actually has a good chance of breaking the 90-degree mark there. We're going to see a very strong south wind develop, especially later in the day on Friday. That's going to bring in some higher dew points into the 60s on Friday, and this could set the stage for some thunderstorm activity as we get later into the day as a storm system approaches from the west. And this one right now, the timing is still a little iffy. Between Friday and Saturday, forecast models are kind of not aligned when it comes to the timing. But what they are aligned with is a pretty decent chance of some severe weather somewhere in that Friday-Saturday time frame. Maybe one of the 2 days, maybe both days. Where that severe weather sets up, that's still a little bit of a question mark as well. It could be somewhere in the central plains or southern plains, maybe all the way up and down the central to southern plains. That's still a little bit of a question mark, though. But somebody, somewhere, there's potential for an outbreak type situation. Will it be here in Nebraska? I don't know yet. That's still uncertain. It may be more to our south where there's a better chance of that threat. Just want to throw it out there. Just want to say that stay tuned to the forecast the next couple of days because I do not know how exactly this is going to play out Friday and Saturday yet. It may end up being a dud. Nothing may happen, but at the same time, we may be really having to heighten our severe weather awareness as we get towards Friday and Saturday. So I just want you to be aware that we're going to be watching that in the coming days ahead as we get closer and we get a little more confidence as we get towards that Friday, Saturday time frame. For those that do have plans, just watch the forecast in the coming days ahead. We got Saturday and Sunday. We have graduation events, things like that. There are other things going on, weddings, stuff like that. So watch the forecast as we get towards Friday, Saturday. Sunday, it looks like that by that point, while there still may be some rain and thunderstorms in the forecast, especially early, it looks like stable air comes in on the backside of that system. So I think we'll be kind of pushing away from that severe weather threat as I yawn. We should be pushing away from that severe weather threat by Sunday here. And it looks like down the road, long range, we should be looking at more above average down the road, although not quite as warm as the really warm stuff coming in Thursday and Friday. Now, some models are hinting at Sunday, that where I have 71 there, as maybe being a below average day, maybe being in the 60s. We'll wait and see on that one there. But again, just like I said, the big emphasis is to watch that Friday, Saturday time frame at this point here. Just watch the forecast as we get closer. We're going to build up more confidence, get a better idea of how that might play out. So, all right, with that, I'm going to let you all go. Hope you all have a wonderful Monday, a good start to your week. Enjoy the warmer weather on the way. Maybe a good one ahead of us. Maybe a little too warm for my taste by the end of the week, but you know what? Today, I'm going to enjoy it. It looks really, really nice out there for the start of your week here on Monday. So, take care. God bless, and we'll see you all again on Tuesday morning. Bye.